Hello, I'm Ronald Hawkins, principal of Harbor Law School. Welcome to SBAC and Me, Math Performance Task. Performance tasks are designed to provide students with an opportunity to demonstrate their ability to apply their mathematical knowledge and higher order thinking skills to explore and analyze a complex real-world scenario. They can best be described as a collection of questions and activities that are coherently connected to a single theme or scenario. These activities are meant to measure capacities such as depth of mathematical understanding or complex analysis with relevant evidence, which cannot be adequately assessed with traditional assessment questions. While the performance tasks are also administered on a computer, they are not computer adaptive, meaning all scholars will see the same problems. Let's work through a third grade math performance task together. The city has a lovely park where cats like to come in the summer. The bar graph to the left shows the number of each type of cats in the city park. Scholars must be able to interpret the bar graph representing the cats. Here, scholars should read through the graph slowly and carefully, looking at the key, types of cats, and the numbers. Question 1. Complete the following to show the number of each cat in the city park. In this question, scholars will enter the total number of the types of cats identified by the bar graph into the table. So let's take a look. There are 12 gray cats, 14 yellow cats, 8 calico cats, and 6 white cats. Question number 2. What is the total number of cats that have visited the park? Scholars should read the question twice and also annotate the text by circling all the mathematical words, then writing their meaning above. The key words to circle would be total number of cats with an annotation of at all. Using these key words, we know the question is asking for us to add all the numbers from the table in the previous problem together. So there are 12 gray cats, 14 yellow cats, 8 calico cats, 6 white cats, which gives us a total of 40 cats. Therefore, the answer is there are 40 cats that have visited the park. Moving on to question number 3. How many times the number of white cats are the gray cats? Now this is getting a little spicy. So again, scholars should read the question twice and annotate keywords. What type of mathematical operation will answer this question? So here, our keywords to circle would be times the number, and we will write multiplication above the circle. There are 6 white cats and 12 gray cats. 6 times what equals 12? We know that would be 2. Therefore, the answer should read, there are 2 times as many gray cats as there are white cats. And finally, question number 4. Your friend says that if all the gray and white cats were added together and all of the yellow and calico cats were added together, the total would be equal. Is he correct? Why or why not? Explain your answer. There are several questions in this question. Scholars should read twice and answer one question at a time to avoid missing a question and answer. First, you would circle the words gray and white and write the number of each cat, which would be 12 and 6 above the circle, while yellow and calico would be circled and annotated with the numbers 14 and 8. Other keywords are added together, which would be annotated with 12 plus 6 and 14 plus 8. And totals would be annotated with 18 and 22. Now I need to compare 18 and 22. Are they equal? No. The answer should read, my friend is not correct. There is a total of 18 gray and white cats. The total number of yellow and calico cats is 22. Therefore, there are 4 more yellow and calico cats that have visited the city park. I'm Ronald Hawkins. Thank you so much for listening and watching today. Please try this performance task with your son or daughter and coach them along for a successful SBAC. You may find this problem at principalhawkins.com. I appreciate your partnership towards success. Until next time, take care.